This 2014 Porsche Cayenne is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Porsche Cayenne's optional equipment $87,470 MSRP. New premium package plus $11,670. Panoramic roof system $660. 20 in quad RS Spider design wheels $3,120. Porsche entry and drive $1,090. Bose audio package $2,160. Air suspension with Porsche active suspension management. Standard equipment 4.8 L V8 engine 400 horsepower 369 pound-feet of torque. Adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, power windows, power door locks, jet black metallic exterior, black leather interior. Vehicle includes Porsche floor mats, owner's manual, original window sticker. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2014 Porsche Cayenne S is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and